Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to use surface feature, and today I will show you how to use boundary surface. And now let's start it. In this case I have sketch like this, and now click boundary surface. Now you have two parameters. In direction 1 parameter, click this sketch, and this sketch. In direction 2 parameter, click the sketch, okay, the sketch, okay, the sketch, okay, and the sketch, okay. See? Now click OK. See? I think this is the end tutorial. I hope you like and can learn Solidworks use my video tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.